What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and I am pretty excited today. So check this out. This is my nutsack. I've had this nutsack for about, I don't know, since I lived in Tennessee. So it's been probably several months. And anytime I go anywhere, I bring my nutsack with me because I need it to store my laptop and some things I'm going to need for my laptop. For example, if I'm going on a trip, I bring my little Canon PowerShot. I've got some extra batteries in here for it. And then I've got my charger for my laptop. Let me just show you what all's inside my nutsack. So I'm going to open it up. It's all leather. It's genuine leather. And this is backed by a lifetime warranty. So when you pick up a nutsack, you're going to be sure that it's going to last you its entire life. So it's pretty awesome. So in here, I have a cat and a dog, and they get fur all over everything. So I got my little tile to ring my nutsack if I can't find it. And then in here, I've got a whole bunch of stuff like if I go somewhere and I need to plug in more than one thing to a power outlet, or if I'll show you my other thing I have in here. I connect this to it. Now I can charge my laptop and other stuff as well. Just a little thing I got. And then I've got, like, you know, my Fire TV stick, which is the very first model on release day. And I have it rooted with the latest Fire Stick OS on it. I've been looking for this little 2 gig flash drive, actually, to store Linux and stuff on. But I've just got a whole bunch of stuff in here, like the charger for the battery. Just a whole bunch of stuff that I may need for entertainment when I go to a hotel or travel or something along those lines. So let me just zip up this pouch and show you what I have in here. So in here, it's pretty neat, actually. So I've got my little Chromebook here. This is a little 11-inch, as you can see. By how much room you have in here, you probably don't want to get anything bigger than 11 inches for this one. I have a new nutsack that I'm excited to show you, and I'm going to show it to you here in a second. So in here, we've got a Type-C battery bank. So if your Chromebook is a Type-C Chromebook, all the newer ones are these days, and you can charge them with this guy, 27 watts, and you can charge it up your Chromebook using this guy. And then I've got the charger for my Anker 26800 PD charger. So I've got that in there. And I've got this really awesome guy from Charge Tech. So basically I just, I need to charge it. So it's probably doesn't have any life in it. But I switch it over to on, and this little light turns red, and it tells me that it's on. So I now can charge up my laptop or my Chromebook. Since my Chromebook is an older one from, 3 or 4 years ago, that charges off of a normal AC outlet. And normally I keep my charger in here, but it's behind my TV and it's really inconvenient to get to, but I use it so much that it's just better for it to be over there. And I have actually a little adapter that can charge it now off of my PowerAd Charge Center bank. But this is how I charge up this guy. Just plug it in the side here. And now I'm charging this thing up. And then if I need to charge up more, this thing does like 75 watts or 85 watts or something. So it does 85 watts max. So in here, I can grab this little guy. And now I've got 3 outlets. 85 watts total. Now my Chromebook only is like a 45 or 40 watt thing, so it doesn't take up too much power. I definitely could probably take some stuff out, but that's about it. You have a nice little zipper pocket here for maybe like some documents or something that you don't want, maybe some discs or something, I don't know. And then you've got some pockets in here that I never use. But that's about it. So I absolutely love this little nutsack. Now, this one just came this weekend, and I'm excited to show you. So this is a bigger nutsack. This is called the Sac Daddy. Yes, this is called a Sac Daddy. So this is my new Sac Daddy. But so here we go. Let's go ahead and tear this sucker open so we can get to our nutsack. Awesome. It looks freaking awesome. So our little nutsack and our big nutsack. So if I got like, I don't know, a Razer 14-inch, it might fit in here. I'll have to get the exact specifications. All I have is my 11-inch and my 17-point-something inch. So this is the Sac Daddy. Let's see if there's any difference at all. So it looks like we got our big pocket here for storing stuff. Just like our smaller nutsack. Oh, except it's got 2 zippers here. So you can cross them in the middle and you can go ahead and lock them up if you have a small little lock there. Yep, the other one only has one, and then this has two zippers. And it's got a carrying thing for it, so you can go ahead and attach this and carry it, similar to the carrying strap on here, which looks terrible. I didn't realize how bad my dog sheds until I got hardwood floor. Oh my gosh, it is bad. So you can attach this to the sides here, and let's show this side. Boom, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and do that because I do carry it like that sometimes. It looks like it's set up the same exact way. So we've got the pocket here, maybe for like a folder or like some install discs for software or something. It's hard backed, so it's got a nice firm back here behind this zipper. And then with the normal little pockets here. So to give you an idea, let's throw our Chromebook in there and look at that. Look at how much more room we have. So this is an 11-inch Chromebook, and I'd say we've got at least a couple more inches. I'm excited about this. And then you can carry around some batteries. If you have something that charges off a Type-C, just get one of these. You can charge your phone up, charge your laptop up as well. If you have something that needs to have the AC outlet, this little guy's pretty awesome, but this one right here is about $200 and something. So it costs a little bit to buy. And there we have it. So next time we go on a trip or vacation or move or anything, I can charge this sucker up, have it fully charged, and charge up my Chromebook as well. Honestly, this bag is a little bigger than what I need at the moment. Again, if I had a 13, 14 inch, I don't know. I don't have a 15-inch laptop, so I can't test it. Hopefully they have it on their site how big the laptop can be. But since my laptop is only an 11-inch, and I absolutely love my Chromebook, I only use it for web browsing, and it does that perfectly. It is an older model with the i3, and this sucker gets everything done that I need done. So, boom, there we go. 11-inch Chromebook, fits in there with some room to spare. Throw in my ChargeTech battery bank right here. Put in my AC adapter right here. I'm good to go. I cannot tell you how much I love this thing. It looks awesome. And anytime someone asks me, hey, I love your bag, where can I get one? I just tell them go to NutSac's website and order their own NutSac. Don't touch my NutSac. This is mine. This is mine. You need to go order your own because this thing is awesome. If I ever get a bigger laptop, I will definitely use this guy. But for now, this one does what I need it to do. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you to NutSac for sponsoring this video, and, well, not necessarily sponsoring, but they did send this to me for free. I was not paid to make this video, and they're not reviewing it before I post it, so now I feel like a Lon Sideman. Lon.tv, go check him out, he's a pretty cool guy. But, yeah, so this was sent to me for free in exchange for a video showing it off. So, pretty awesome little bag. I love it. It's pretty. This one doesn't have the back like the other one does. Like this one, like it's just completely soft. And now it's my laptop right here that I feel. If my laptop wasn't in there, it would just go straight, you know. This one's got that nice back to it that's like firm and stiff. It didn't even hit me until I wrapped up the video, but this one does have an extra pocket here on the back to store some folders or paperwork or something. You do not get that with this guy. It's just a solid back. Well, a leather back. It's not firm, but it doesn't have a pocket to store anything in. This one does. And a tiny little thing is it's got the 2 here, and the other one only has 1. This one's got the 1 zipper, and then but it does have 2 zippers for this top part here. Pretty cool. To each their own. I'm not going to make this video any longer. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This is What Would Josh Do? Follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already. I'm out.